Come on, Blitz, go get your toy. Thor's got your toy.
Go get your toy. Who's got your toy?
There he goes. Oh, he's taking a nap. There he goes. Come on, Thor. Nope, he's taking it out on your shoe.
Yes. Go chase it.
There he goes.
How are you doing, Blitz?
Fresh little puppy. You're not supposed to eat chews. He bit the lens.
Blitz! Blitz! Leave Zeus alone.